In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto reply on Facebook Marketplace. If you want to respond faster to potential buyers, Facebook gives you a couple of different options depending on whether you're using a personal account or a business page. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the setup that fits the way you sell on Marketplace. Let's start with a personal Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to the Facebook website in your browser. Once you're signed in, head over to Marketplace. From there, open a conversation with a buyer. In personal Marketplace chats, Facebook may show quick replies or suggested replies. If those appear, you can use them to respond faster without typing every message from scratch. It's helpful to know that personal accounts usually don't have a full automated instant reply feature like business pages do. So if you want to save time answering the same questions again and again, a simple workaround is to keep a saved message ready. Then when someone asks about availability, price, pickup, or shipping, you can copy and paste that saved message into the chat. This keeps your replies consistent and helps you stay responsive, especially if you're managing multiple inquiries. Now let's look at the Facebook business page option, which is where actual automatic replies are available. Open Facebook and switch over to your business page. After that, go to the page itself. From there, open the professional dashboard or Meta Business Suite, depending on what appears in your account. Next, select Inbox. This is where your messages and communication tools are managed. Inside the inbox area, look for automations or automated responses. The wording can vary a little depending on your version of Facebook, but it will be in that general section. Once you find it, turn on instant reply. This setting allows Facebook to automatically send a message when someone contacts you. After enabling instant reply, type the message you want buyers to receive automatically. Keep it short, clear, and friendly. A good auto reply should let people know you received their message and that you'll follow up soon. Once your message is ready, save your changes. That's it. With a personal account, you can speed things up using quick replies, suggested replies, or saved messages. With a business page, you can go a step further by turning on instant reply through your inbox automations. This can make your marketplace communication much smoother and help you respond quickly even when you're busy.